Podcast. Now today we're making Millionaire shortbread, which is a really sweet, tasty treat for all the family. Now, first of all, the ingredients. Here we have butter, unsalted, brown sugar, chocolate, shortbread, and of course, carnation condensed milk. Here I've got a small amount of butter, which we put into a pan over a very low heat, and we're just going to melt that in 2 or 3 seconds. While that's melting, we need to make the crumb base. In we go. Okay, nice fine breadcrumbs. We'll pour that over the top of the shortbread and mix it in. So at this point you think you haven't got enough butter in there, but you have, trust me. And just mix that together. It'll take a couple of seconds. And literally put that into there. And with a large spoon, just spread that out. Okay, but, and this is the big but, don't pack it down too firm. If you do, you won't be able to cut it at the end. Now for the filling. It's quite an important point here. What you must do is just boil the mixture. If you boil it for too long, the caramel will be too firm. So it's a very, very simple process. Here I've got, again, more butter, which could pop into a saucepan, along with some dark or soft brown sugar. Now that's partially dissolved. Now I'm going to add the condensed milk straight into the pan, just like that. My favourite bit. In it goes. Don't waste any. What we need to do here is just again stir this to the boil, and it must only just boil. So, and that is it. It's just bubbling through. We'll pour this straight on top of the crumbs. Just like that. Now you need to let that cool and then pop it in the fridge to chill. And once it's chilled, it'll end up just like that. So here I've melted some chocolate on a stove over a pan of water, or you can pop it in the microwave, it's up to you. I'm just going to pour the chocolate right on top of the Millionaire shortbread. Now it's quite a thick layer of chocolate on here, so what I suggest you do is spread the chocolate out like so, and then with a knife just score down into 9 pieces before you chill it. It'll make it much easier to cut later on. Let that set for a second. Okay, this one should be ready right now. Now if you just pull the tin slightly apart, it should just pop out. If not, run a hot knife around the edge. And the whole thing should and does lift out just like that. There it is, look at that. Just to cut straight through what we did earlier to 9 pieces. Turn the ball round. That. And look at that. Isn't that delicious? Fantastic. Millionaire.
لو عجبك الفيديو ما تنساش تشترك في القناة وتفعل الجرس عشان يوصلك كل فيديوهاتنا الجديدة.